everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to show you how I went about creating these nails right here. Of course they are incomplete. Now the only one that I finished with the top coat is my pinky. On my ring fingernail I plan to do something else, and on these two I already have my foil glue drying up for me, so I got a little bit ahead of here, but I wanted to show you everything that I'm going to use for this mani today on this tutorial. It's going to be products from SheModern, and I will have links down in the description bar to everything that I'm using here today. But something new for me, it's going to be their shimmery glitters. I love these glitters because they are super fine, and you're gonna see me how I go about using them with their little guides here. These are like little stencils. I mean, these are it's very fine plastic. They are reusable stencils, and you're going to see how well they work with these super fine glitters. Now the ones that I have here, and I left them, I've already opened up my everything that I received, but I wanted to show you how when you order these, you can customize your package. So they come with 3 glitters, and I chose the pink holographic, the gold holographic, and the red holographic. This bottle right here, they come with an empty bottle where you can fill it up with alcohol to help you clean up your brush if it's something that you choose to use as a tool for application of the glitters. Okay, I am going to do something a little bit different today, but yeah, so out of the products I'm going to go ahead and remove. I'm going to use the pink one and the gold one, and this is nice. I already took the one off of this one, but it comes with these tips that you can create you can use them for samples or what have you, so you can label your nail art. And I'm going to use these are silver holographic roses. Check them out. Check out that rainbow. Hopefully my light will cooperate here. Super cool. And then this, let me try to find a black background. This stencil right here, so I am going to use the hearts. There are some, I think these are like stars, some drops, and some other things, and then the circles. So this is what I'm going to use, and I will bring you in closer. Check out on my pinky. I want you to see how well defined those hearts are that I did with the glitter. So you're going to see how I went about creating this. So to start out with, this is all gel, and the reason I am using gel is because I want to top because of the holographic look on these right here, the holographic roses. I want to top everything with a gel top coat, and I know some people can get away with using regular polish by using a water-based top coat, but to me it's still gel is what gives the ultimate results when it comes to holographics. Okay, so that's what I'm using. This is my base color. It's just a one-step black polish, and then over that you saw the foil glue drying. So I apply the foil glue on these, and these are ready for me to work on. This one is halfway there because what I want you to see, so I started out with the pink Holo, and it wasn't until later that I noticed on that other space there, I'm going to try and put a gold heart in there without disturbing the other two hearts, because I have not done a top coat on this nail, but my pinky is done. So you're going to see how I go about that, and let's get started. Okay, so here I am. I brought you in a little bit closer. These are a couple of the roses that I have already cut out. So I am going to transfer these to my nails. See how I want to place them. Maybe in a little bit of an angle. I'm trying to stay here. Let me look up and make sure I'm in frame, and I'm going to be very gentle in pulling these, only because, okay, there it goes, very easy. Okay, so that stayed down nice, and what it did, the image was transferred from this plastic right onto my nail because of the foil glue. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this other one. Next, I am going to work with the heart stencils, but before I do that, I'm going to use the glitter. So I am going to take some of my pink glitter, and I'm going to, I felt that it worked better like this for me, guys, rather than blowing this or just squeezing it directly over my nail. I have the pink one here, and I'm going to put some gold one in here. Go. And for these, I am going to use the sponge applicator. I've already used this one for the pink glitter. So now what I want to do is take my stencil. And so what I wanted to do for this one is to add a gold heart. Hope I can stay on focus. So I am going to bring this, place it right there. Hopefully I stayed on focus on camera, and I'm going to press it down. And this is another one of their reusable stencils. It's made out of the same material as this, which is nice for pressing it down so I don't have to use my fingers. Now I'm going to use a clean, did you see the gold? I'm a little too close. I'm going to dip this in the gold glitter, pick up some of that, and this way I can control where I want it. And dab it right onto that heart stencil right there. And I'm pressing down, and I can already see the very well defined shape of that heart. Okay. Now I'm going to be very careful removing this because I want to make sure that I'll try to keep as much glitter away from the rest of the nail as possible, because remember, it has, and I'm going to keep my other nails away too. I'm going to go this way, and there it is, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Oh, so pretty. So I have a gold holo and 2 pink holo hearts right there. Okay, so now I'm going to repeat the process on these 2 nails. Okay guys, and here's the final result. This is after curing my gel top coat. Check out those hearts. I want you to see, hopefully you can catch how well defined those hearts came out. Again, and that's due to these glitters being so fine and fitting so well in that very thin plastic stencil right here that I've used. I want to thank SheModern for sending me these products to play with and review for you guys. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar so you can go to their website and check out the variety. I mean, the possibilities are endless on everything that you can do with these. I absolutely look forward to doing more manis with these glitters. I am going to leave you with photos of other manis that I did, a couple of other manis that I posted on Instagram on how I stamped. Well, I used the hearts, the stencil, and I put them over a stamp, and I also used the glitters to do reverse stamping on. So that might be another review or another tutorial on another video, but I'm going to leave you with those photos on the nails that I did and posted on Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.